What's happening, everybody? This is Demo Aurelius. Testing out the pedals. Loving them. Fanatec V2s. I'm not sure which ones they are. Loadcell does wonders. Compared to the old pt.1 Pros that I have that's in the closet over there, they're well worth it. Thrustmaster T598 wheel. Using it because GTDD Pro, believe it's the collar that has the issue. So I've been looking up a whole bunch on Reddit forums and all this other stuff saying that this is the culprit. Usually I've done the moving it. My brother's arm ate it before and it came back to him, and it's still, he said he drove it once and I got it on Thanksgiving. It just wasn't working, so it powered on. Everything is good. Put the wheel on it. Disconnects in settings. It drove me halfway crazy. Did about 4 hours dealing with that. So, with that being said, pedals are going to get inverted. I'm thinking about slotting in there using a piece of wood that I have sitting in here somewhere that I moved. Brace it the same place and slide that in down at an angle and mount it with another piece of wood and bolt it down across so it's just stable. If it wasn't for having the ecosystem to use to play completely, I wouldn't mind getting a drive hub, or if there was a way I could hook in the Kronos Max pedals to run this and the pedals and the shifter possibly. So, it is what it is. Once the wheel base gets fixed, hopefully tomorrow it'll be good. Boom. I'll be happy with it. But if not, then, I'll figure it out from that road. But besides that, I believe I'll get my PS3 in a few days. Ordering it tomorrow, especially if the hub ring comes and if it fixes it. Then this one will definitely get boxed up. I got the box down, putting everything back in, cleaning it up. I've already wiped down the wheel. I'm going to wipe down the wheel again, make sure it's all pristine and clean. Plastic's still on. Love the wheel. You would definitely want something other than these clamps if you have to make your own rig, because the table's kind of small and you have legs like myself, kind of like a long leg, shorter upper, and you hitting this is gonna swell your fucking knees the hell up. Trying to heel and toe with this thing, with this, I can't. So I'm definitely going to invert my pedals, because this plate here, compared to if my feet were on the floor, or the wooden floor of what the sim rig is supposed to be, is what I'm saying. Where my pedals can feel a little bit more natural, I'd be happy. But yeah, this wheel definitely worth it. But you gotta set it up on the PC. The PC on Assetto Corsa, I always lose my settings. Don't know if that's a Thrustmaster issue or if it's a Windows issue, or if that's Assetto Corsa, because the wheel is not recognized except for being a Thrustmaster wheel via the PC. Load cell, again, works wonders. I'm going to exchange or change these two pedals around, because my clutch is a whole lot stronger than my throttle, and I like that because that feels more of like my throttle pedal for my vehicle. So, you know, throttle cable's a little tight on that car. So, you know, new throttle cables. But I'm going to do this in a minute. It's basically recording. Why? Because I keep having issues with this stupid thing. So this is my 4th time recording this. We're done for the night. I'm going to get back to this wheel. I'm going to get back to running. Might load up Grand Theft Auto. Not sure yet. If I do, I'm going to go through my mods. And I'm going to install the wheel mod. And I'm going to install the VR mod. And I'll figure out if I'm going to actually run with my PlayStation VR. With the INV VR, whatever the damn thing is called. So, with that being said, and me stuttering and stammering, and it's being almost a 7-minute video now because I keep talking, I'm going to end it like this. You guys be good, be nice, wash your hands, brush your teeth, take a shower, find something, keep your license, sim race. Don't drink and drive unless you're on a sim rig. That way you can always reset. So, you all be safe. Peace.